Hey there, all you fantastic artists, and welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. And today, we're getting into the Thanksgiving spirit as we draw a mouth-watering turkey drumstick, complete with our famous mustard sauce and all the trimmings. So grab your art supplies because we're about to embark on a delicious drawing adventure together. Let's get started by drawing the star of the show, our famous mustard sauce. Imagine it literally bouncing out of the bowl. Add a couple of drips. And draw a bowl underneath to hold all that saucy goodness. Now, let's move on to our scrumptious grilled turkey drumstick. Imagine it dripping with that yummy sauce, and just think about the incredible flavor. Oh, but we're not done yet. Let's not forget the ingredients that make this meal extra special. What's grilled turkey without some zesty lemon slices? Draw a couple of lemon slices right there. They enhance the taste, and the aroma is simply divine. And why not pop some green peppers to make this dish even more delicious? With our drawing complete, it's time to add color and bring this mouth-watering masterpiece to life. Our mustard sauce shines in a vibrant shade of yellow. It's the star of the show after all. The bowl gets a seasonal shade of orange that's as warm as Thanksgiving itself. Our turkey drumstick. Well, it's grilled to perfection and wears a lovely shade of brown. And the lemons are bright and zesty and yellow. The green peppers add a pop of green. And there you have it, folks. Our delicious Thanksgiving turkey drumstick, ready to make your taste buds dance with joy. I hope you had as much fun creating this tasty masterpiece as I did showing you how. Before we wrap up, if you had a blast with this video and you're hungry for more creative adventures, please hit that like button below. And if you haven't joined our Easy Peasy Art family yet, don't forget to subscribe for more fun and quirky art projects. Thanks for joining me today. And until our next tasty creation, keep those pencils moving, keep creating, and keep having a deliciously creative time.